Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display and Brightness. Now click on Text Size and Weight and swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you're ready, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!